So now we're going to perform an activation technique called a three-way glute activation. I've got a good colleague of mine who first introduced me to this one. I personally love it. I love to show it to all my clients. So the purpose of this is to activate the glutes in all planes that it actually works in. We're going to work in extension, we're going to work in external rotation, as he turns out, and as he comes across an abduction. Now, this leg needs to be pushed up against something. So just for demonstration purposes, I want you to imagine that here is a wall. Once Jason's legs are placed hip width apart, he'll be able to just quickly come up, rotate, and press up. He'll hold that for approximately 10 seconds. That's where this is all going to be felt. And then once he finishes, he'll go back into a starting position. We want you guys to repeat this 2 to 3 times per side or as required. All right, so Jason, let's get you to straighten out your legs. This is the wall here. We're going to get Jason to lift his left leg up and come into hip extension, external rotation, and then abduct against the wall and press. 10, 9. You can see the shaking there, which means you know he is working hard to push up against this wall. 3, 2, 1, and then reverse yourself back down. We'll do one more here. So once again, it's hip extension, external rotation, abduction as he presses up against the wall. 10, 9, 8. And again, this could be my leg as well. So anything that's sturdy. 3 more seconds. 2, 1, reverse. He'll go back into place. Repeat this on both sides as required through the protocol. Have yourself a good day.